चाबी करनी आवड़ी ओके. Hey guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Tulsi and I am back with another video, and today's video is quite special and exciting for me. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So there is an announcement which I have to make. I have completed 100 days project, a project which is very popular on Instagram. So I've completed 100 days of painting. 100 days I have a collection of 100 paintings, you can see. So yes, about the project, बहुत लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि what exactly is this 100 days project. So I am here today with what exactly it is, what benefits I had from it, and how can you start if you are looking to start for it. Also, an exciting review session of all my paintings is there in the end of the video, so don't forget to watch the video till the end. Okay, so to start with 100 days project, ये एक कोई graphic designer ने start किया था for his students offline, that they have to do a certain project for 100 days, document it, उसको save करना है, and then they'll get 15 minutes to present it after 100 days once they are done. So L Luna was a person and her friends who started it on Instagram with the hashtag 100 days project. So yes, from there it became popular, and many people later on took this project on Instagram with the hashtag 100 days project, therefore increasing the community. So basically ये project क्या है? So it is not only for artists, anyone out there can take this project. You just have to take up a skill or an action जो आप 100 days के लिए consecutively perform करना चाहते हो या जिसमें आप better होना चाहते हो. You can select that action and you have to do it for 100 days and record it. It might be dance, it might be cooking, it might be painting, it might be any skill you have, writing, poetry, anything, and you have to do it for 100 days. Okay, now since I have taken painting as my 100-day project thing, so I will share with you what all benefits I had from it. So let's start. So benefit number 1, routine practice paid off. So जैसे ही हमें पता है, anything you do continuously for some time, you get good in that skill. So 100 days of painting, I have created a skill set, I have improved my skill set. I am amazed कि मैं कितना comfortable हो गई हूँ for painting. Now I just have strokes, I know the techniques, and I've tried few techniques which were completely new, and I'm very known to the thing now, painting. Benefit number 2 is obvious from the first one, that it definitely improved my skills. So painting skills were upgraded to a level after the completion of this project. All 100 days painting has created a muscle memory which also helps improve your skills. Point number 3, time management. So I have realized that I have a good amount of time to invest in things I love or for me time. So yes, this project made me realize that हफ्ते में 7-8 घंटे ऐसे रहते हैं जो हम लोग स्पेयर में निकाल के अपने लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं rather than wasting your time here and there. Benefit number 4, whatever you prioritize happens. So जब आप किसी चीज़ को प्रायोरिटी देते हो, you become very clear what needs to be done, and once you're clear, you obviously act in that direction. So rest of the things automatically happens. So yes, you learn to prioritize things. Benefit number 5, little by little it is too much. Okay, so you might have heard this saying कि बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, या little by little the ocean is filled. So I have got so many beautiful collections of paintings by just making a painting every day. So yes, it is the best benefit of the 100-day project. Point number 6 or benefit number 6, you learn to stop or control your overthinking or overdoing. What happens is when you are painting a thing, after the work is done, you feel like नहीं यार यहाँ पे कुछ बाकी है, वहाँ कुछ बाकी है, and you try to correct it or you try to make something extra and you ruin your painting. So yes, overdoing also ruins your painting. So in 100 days project, what used to happen is मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं रहता था, 1.5 hour टू पेंट. सो जो भी बना है इज़ द फाइनल वर्क. सो आई डिड नॉट हैव द टाइम टू ओवरडू और ओवर थिंक अबाउट द पेंटिंग. सो आई कंट्रोल्ड इट एंड इट ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेटेड कॉन्फिडेंस इन मी कि येस, जो है यही है, जो बना है यही है. सो येस, यू काइंड ऑफ stop or control your overthinking thoughts about the painting. All these things helps you stop fearing the idea of imperfect work. So there is no imperfect work. Every painting is beautiful in its way. So I have learned it through this project. The next benefit is Instagram related. So I had created an account, Creative Edge, on Instagram. So I needed something to post every day or a day or two in a week, like that. So this project surely gives you content that you can post on Instagram. It helps you to grow on Instagram. Though all these things are very secondary, but yes, it also helps you grow on Instagram. It creates an organic audience. It attracts audience of your kind to your account. Another benefit is also related to Instagram. So when I posted my paintings on Instagram, there were comments, there were good reviews coming out from people. So it helped me boost my confidence. It helped me get energized with the work I'm doing, and it made me keep doing what I am doing. So yes, Instagram followers, the comments they give, the reviews that they share, it is all helpful for your growth. Now that I have shared so many benefits of the 100-day projects, let me tell you that this project is just for you. No one is going to come and see whether what you are doing or what not. So you need not pressurize yourself whenever you are taking up or you are thinking to take up this project. So now quickly let me tell you how you can take up this project for yourself. So अगर आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करना है, सो यू नीड नॉट बी परफेक्ट एट इट. नंबर वन थिंग यू नीड टू डू इज सिलेक्ट अ एक्टिविटी दैट यू आर गोइंग टू डू. मे इट बी पेंटिंग, डांसिंग, कुकिंग, टॉकिंग, राइटिंग, एनीथिंग. Choose an activity. Number two, once you've chosen the activity, make sure the activity is not more than 15 minutes. It does not take more than 15-30 minutes of your day. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult later on. Number three, you choose a corner or a place where you are going to do this activity every day. For like, I'll show you my corner where I did all my paintings every day. I converted my dressing table into a painting corner, literally. And it will be more appropriate if you choose a timing when you're going to do this. So when you do all these steps, you make sure that you're not missing out any day or you are not putting it aside. One major drawback about this 100-day project is आप 20 days के लिए कोई भी चीज़ जो स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, you enjoy it because you have plenty of ideas and you are not tired. But after 20 days you run out of ideas. आपके पास आप बोर हो जाते हो बेसिकली. तो वो नहीं होने देना है. एनीथिंग हैपन्स, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट, ये दिमाग में रखना है. बट मोर ओवर यू नीड नॉट प्रेशराइज योर सेल्फ. अगर कोई चीज़ के वजह से कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं हो रही है एक दिन, तो यू कैन स्किप इट. एंड ऑलवेज वाइल पोस्टिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम यू कैन just put 1/100, day 1, day 2, like that. So you don't have to pressurize yourself because all this is meant for enjoying and you need to enjoy what you are doing. Like, frankly speaking, मेरा 100-day project, 100-day painting is not done in 100 days because I had to give 1, 2 or maybe 3 hours for a painting to be done, and इतना time every day निकालना is not possible. So it is okay if you skip a day. No one is going to say anything. It is just for you, you are doing. So yes, you don't have to pressurize yourself. Okay, so now that I have told you everything, almost everything about the 100-day project, so I hope you try something of this kind, or my video is informative and it helps you start something of this kind. Also, if you wish to watch all my 100 paintings, they are out there on Instagram, so go check out my Instagram page. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and I've also shared few tutorial videos related to some of the paintings, so you can go and click over the I button above. And yes, if you wish to buy any of the paintings ka art print, so I have a store. I'll leave the link in the description for the same, so you can go and buy art prints of the same. I am not sure whether I will be selling my original artwork or not because अभी तक मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है because बहुत मेहनत लगी है बनाने में. So if you wish to buy any of the original pieces, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll think about it. So now a very fun activity which I did was मैंने सारे 100 paintings floor पे spread करके अपने सारे नोन पीपल या जो लोग मेरे घर के आजू बाजू में रहते हैं एंड हु कैन कम इन दिस लॉकडाउन, आई कॉल देम एंड आई कैप्चर द रिएक्शंस इन द कैमरा. सो द रिएक्शंस आर क्वाइट फन. सो हियर वी गो विद द रिएक्शंस ऑफ द पीपल.
कितने सारे पेंटिंग्स हैं. कितना अमेजिंग है, कितना सारा.
Which one is your favorite?
Yeah, fourth one.
अरे वाह, बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भर गया.
हाँ.
Please don't take this stupid video.
I also have this kid who is my nephew to whom I showed my paintings, and his review and his suggestions are just awesome and too adorable and cute. So just have a look. Gani Audi, thank you. यावी Gani Audi, okay. नीट रखो संभाल के. ओके. आप मान भी रखो. रख दे, तू रख दे. नीट दे दे. यो भी संभाल के रख दे. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. I also hope आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली होगी ये वीडियो से एंड यू हैव एन्जॉयड दिस वीडियो. सो इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन बिलो. ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड अगर ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब कर चुके हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन बिलो. ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू कमेंट योर व्यूज़ बिलो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care. If you wish to watch other painting videos, you can go and click over here. If you wish to watch other art videos, you can go and click over here. And to subscribe to my channel, if you have not yet subscribed, you can go and click over here. So yes, until then, bye.